Santander's closure in Rustington is just the latest blow. The need for a robust and fair system of banking hubs is urgent. High streets have changed beyond recognition. Once we had Barclays, NatWest, Lloyds on every corner. Now 6,300 branches have closed since 2015, a 64% fall. Cash use may have dropped to 14% of payments, but millions still depend on it, especially the elderly, the disabled and the vulnerable. In places like Rustington, entire communities are left without local banking. Some forced online against their wishes, even when they can't afford the technology or physically use it. At the same time, increasing their exposure to cyber phishing attacks, like my constituent, Roger Mallock, who has lost a life-changing sum of money to cyber scammers. The post office can't fill the gaps, queues are longer, and it can't handle complex banking needs or take large deposits of cash. And despite my appeals to Link, Rustington was denied a banking hub. I've raised it directly with the Prime Minister and the Economic Secretary to the Treasury. As one constituent put it, banks are licensed by the government. Those licences should come with a duty to maintain local branches. Consider a Ukrainian couple who came to Bognor Regis under the Homes for Ukraine scheme. Thanks to the Santander branch, they opened accounts and continue to rely on in-person support due to language barriers. Without it, they'd lose hours from work and face serious barriers managing their finances. And they're not alone. Many elderly and less mobile customers depend on face-to-face services. Banking hubs offer a limited solution. Only 108 hubs are operational out of 224 planned, and they can take up to 12 months to open. Worse, the FCA rules are too narrow, focused only on cash rather than broader services. The last government introduced the Financial Services and Markets Act 2023. It was a start, but it doesn't go far enough. Banking isn't a luxury, it's a lifeline, and we must ensure that digital innovation doesn't leave millions behind.
Many honourable members asked the government to demand that Link review their assessment procedure. But I think it's worth just reminding colleagues that the process for deciding where hubs are needed is independently determined by Link, the operator of the UK's largest ATM network, and that the government isn't minded to review the legislation